Good morning. As you can see from the title, I am cutting my locks off to put on lock extensions. I know you're like, girl, ain't no wrong with your hair. I know, but there's a method to my madness. So I started out with micro locks, and I have very small locks. I actually braided them together, and I had rubber bands on the end. I don't know if you can see it. I had rubber bands on the end, and well, I'm making them bigger pretty much only because the middle of my hair, let me find it for you. Like, for example, can you see that? Yeah, so the middle of my hair is falling out. I have CCCA, it's like centrifugal, some alopecia, but that's what I have. So the center of my hair, it will itch pretty bad and it will fall out. So because I have micro locks, I've been losing hair in the center. So they're so small, they break off easily, and I decided to make them bigger. Hence, that's the reason why it looked like that. So me making them bigger, the goal is to just have body up there. So if the treatment, it's not working how it's supposed to and it start like breaking again, then I at least have something where the hair can hold on to. So that's the reason why I'm doing it. But I started out this way and I braided the hair down just to, keep it together. But I don't like the fact that the ends are like this. I had rubber bands on there, but then it was looking crazy. And I can't just let my hair down to wear it out. It's down now because I'm about to, go cut it off. But, yeah, I just don't want to go to the crazy phase anymore. Like, I've had dreads before. I know what the process is. I've trusted the process. I had dreads since high school. And, I cut it off. So, you know what? Let me give you a story time while I wait. So, I had dreads in high school. That started out very short. It grew. When I came to the States, I had school and work, and I had this lady doing my hair. And she was doing the palm roll, and my hair was originally interlocked. Nothing was wrong with her doing the palm roll. But after a while, I noticed that the center of my hair started breaking off. So I got mad. I was like, oh my God, this lady, she done messed up my hair with the palm roll. Now my hair's falling out. So I got mad and cut my locks off. And then I went through this journey of trying to figure out what to do with my hair, because I had locks so long and it's just, I didn't know what to do. I tried braids, I tried this, and it was always my hair will grow and then the center will be short. So I cut it off, all the way off, so it can grow back and grow together, and it still grew like that. And I didn't know what to do. I went ahead and when I joined the military, I actually decided to do locks again. But then before I did it, which was this, and before I did it, the center of my hair, that's when I started like getting the symptoms. It started itching really, really bad, and then it started falling out really, really bad. And I could feel the texture of my hair. It just felt dry, and it don't matter what I did, it was just always dry and just break off by the touch. And even now, like the center right here is very tender. So I try not to do too much. I think this is her. Nope.
Lost and we get out.
All right, here we go. I got more sauce.
Well, whatever you've done, you're still here. Still time to make it right.
Anybody sees us in town, you don't know me.
It's that bad.
Lord.
It's still a little lengthy here, you see it?
Yeah, what's up?
Not to great. Alright, new growth. Alright. Oh. My bad.
Okay. Oh, wow. I grew this.
You want to keep them?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it.
Okay. So in the last shot, the last one that we gotta cut, just hold those up and like wave them while I'm cutting this one. Okay. Oh man. Feel free. Yo! This will be a cute look though. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be hard to maintain. Oh yeah, for sure. Like a free form kind of look. It is 2:12 and we are half or a little bit past halfway there. This is what it's looking like. She's going to wash it when she's done with a steam treatment.
Your forgiveness,
But I feel like we're making good time.
despite our doubt.
Baseball bat, the bat. There's one in the corner.
So I found out that I had to look directly in the lens.
Instead of the
Yeah, because if I look in this, the video is gonna look like I'm looking over there. I'm like, oh crap, I didn't know that.
That's hard to remember though. 'Cause
I know.
would be caught up on looking at myself.
They said just use that as like a guide point.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, I told
You're like
y'all
center.
to get off my property, okay? So if y'all want to get crazy, we can get crazy. Now the cops are already on their way.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, hey!
If I see a little boy crawl on all fours in the dark, I'm scared.
I'm gone.
You got a bad.
Right.
It's just time for the watch.
We done. So this is the finished product. I love it. It is so light. I feel like I have nothing on my head. It's just, I love it. I'm gonna do a 360 so you guys can see. This is the side. The back. I love it. I love it. I can't complain. Today was a good day. Thank you guys for stopping by and joining me on this YouTube journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.